Today's Schneider Electric Innovation Hub Business Forum 2018, here in Brisbane for the first time, is going to really offer its delegates something a bit different.
Well, our nation and our state both have very long relationships with France. This relationship is strong and important, and these sorts of forums bring together business, government and industry to work together and to look to the future for shared prosperity and benefit.
The theme of the event is around powering digital transformation, and it's such a broad theme that we've structured it into three areas: vision to strategy to execution. And within there then we'll have examples from different industries, allowing us to understand better what this could mean and hopefully be challenged by some of those speakers.
The FACCI Forum is very, very important for us. It's promoting digitisation, it's promoting sustainability, it's promoting the transformational objectives that we live and breathe in Schneider, but also therefore I think promotes the way the relationship has actually evolved over those last couple of years.
It's an important forum as it provides us a network into other industries which we traditionally don't have. It provides us a network which we can educate other industries about our technology and in that provide us further business.
Not only do they hear from panellists and speakers from the private sector as well as from government, but also they will engage with themselves around tables, discussing and distilling what each event means. We have also added an experience hub, allowing businesses large and small, early stage and very mature, to demonstrate how their products are today changing how our lives are digitally transformed.
I'm very pleased to be with you today, and I'm very happy that Brisbane has now joined the club of host cities, being the first host city this year, which is a special honor. The French-Australian relationship has never been so strong. The keynotes and panels have pointed out how deeply the digital transformation will impact all industries. So the development of our high-tech bilateral public-private partnerships on digital innovation is definitely part of our path towards enhanced economic competitiveness. And this is why also today's forum is very helpful in order to achieve that.
Once again, thank you all. I think this has contributed to the conversation around innovation, around collaboration, and also about the relationships between France and Australia. So from that point of view, thank you and have a good evening.